Triforce Heroes. Available now. Playable on the new Nintendo 3DS XL. Rated E for everyone.
You total your brand new car. 3/4 of what it takes to replace it. What are you supposed to do? Drive 3/4 of a car? Now, if you had Liberty Mutual new car replacement, you'd get your whole car back. I guess they don't want you driving around on trade wheels. Smart.
With Liberty Mutual new car replacement, we'll replace
Smoke, what are you
the whole
doing?
value of your car.
What are you
See car
doing?
insurance in a whole new light. Liberty Mutual Insurance.
Oh shit.
Halloween has never. Now up to 60% off costumes. Party City and PartyCity.com. Nobody has more Halloween for less. Not to disparage whoever invented the cow. But
Come on.
doesn't it come smoked and covered in jalapenos?
Come on.
Does Arby's have to do everything
From the creators of Ice
Jesus.
Rio.
Smoke. Jeez. He probably knocks off so much of that shit.
The Peanuts movie, November 6th.
Hi, I'm Peyton Manning, and I
Peyton
have
Manning.
DirecTV.
And I'm really high voice Peyton Manning, and I have cable.
Only DirecTV lets you watch NFL Sunday Ticket games live on all your devices.
With cable, I can't do that. It's like
I get to take all the games.
Holy shit.
I see.
All right, Bear.